Yamaha launched their newest scooter, namely the Force-X, in the Chinese market. This automatic scooter is targeted to be marketed to developed countries. Yamaha Force-X features a quite attractive design. This motorbike is like combining urban and adventure scooters into one. From the exterior design, the Force-X is equipped with dual-tone body panels with a sporty touch. The headlights are installed on the front frame, above the fender typical of adventure motorbikes. Meanwhile, the turn signal is installed on the head of the motorbike near the handlebars. Continues to the instrument cluster in the form of a digital screen with a fairly simple display. Moving on to the legs, this motorbike is equipped with a telescopic shock absorber at the front and a single shock absorber at the rear. Braking uses discs at the front and drums at the rear. Talking about the engine, the Force-X is equipped with a 125cc engine with power of 8 takas and 90 psi at 6,500 revolutions per minute and peak torque of 9.7 Nm at 5,000 revolutions per minute. Regarding the specifications, the Force-X weighs 92 kilograms, which makes it one of the lightest scooters in its segment. As for fuel consumption, this motorbike is claimed to be able to produce 2.2 liters per 100 kilometers or around 45 kpl. As for the price, the Yamaha Force-X automatic scooter is marketed in China with a price tag of 8,980 yuan.